Hello, everyone! I'm the new guy! I can't wait to play with you all! What are we doing today? When is it gonna be my turn?
How about when I turn into a pigtail girl in a pink frilly dress? Wait! Yes! I think it's happening now! Nope! False alarm.
Please! I really need to pee!
You can pee all you want when we go to the restroom after lunch. You'll see, when it comes to flushing a freshman's head, I never miss the toilet.
That does it! I'm done being everyone's doormat! But why? Why does he hate me so much? Maybe he's an alien in disguise. Maybe he hates all humans. Maybe I like jumping to outlandish conclusions. In any case, that bully is going to pay. Hey, you stupid alien! Ready to meet your green, slimy, six-legged maker?
Did you just call me an alien? I don't mind, though, because if there's one thing I like better than hating aliens, it's hitting you.
What do you mean an error has occurred during installation? Listen, you cheap piece of crap. We're about to go on the most satisfying alien killing spree of my life. So either you let me install this new AI I bought, or you're gonna be the first innocent thing I destroy today.
Threat acknowledged. Initiating survival procedure. New AI installed and responsible for all errors. Not me.
Well, it's about time. Now look out, you alien scumbags. I'm pissed. I'm armed. And I'm $2 away from blowing you to Kingdom Come. Who the hell made space so big? I'm already lost!
You do know that is what maps are for, right?
What the f*** is going on? Who the hell are you? And why the f*** are my swears being censored?
I, sir, am Edgar IV, your new AI. And I think a little censorship is quite overdue here, Commander. So, let's start with the basics, shall we? See that button on your left? Press it to...
What's this? A tutorial? Ha! Like I don't know how to use my own ship! Skip that!
But your craft is in such poor shape, you can't possibly expect it to respond to your controls like a well-maintained ship would, and...
I've got cannons and the triggers to fire them. Only sissies need to know anything else. Now stop wasting my time. I can't wait to get to one of these sectors and destroy everything. Fuck yeah! Ed, where are we?
Is that what I've been reduced to? A glorified GPS?
Oh, trust me, Ed. You're nowhere near glorified.
Anyway, it is my duty to inform you that we are currently in the Void's territory. According to my files, he is clumsy, soft, and a little slow. Not much of a threat, really.
But he's an alien, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's bad enough for me. Let's go. Sweet!
Good shot, Commander.
Sweet! Sweet! If I'm going down, I'm taking you with me.